StreetLight Operations Solutions, Traffic Monitor. Pinpoint and mitigate traffic disruptions with traffic pattern insights on any roads, without installing sensors. Plan Smart. View traffic patterns on all roads to optimize for the most efficient detours and closure windows before disruptions. Make real-time adjustments. Dynamically manage traffic and build targeted communication during disruptions with real-time traffic flows. Analyze post-disruption. Evaluate travel patterns to understand successes and failures for better future planning.
The Copa Cup final in Miami happened on July 14th, 2024. Unfortunately, there was a lot of mayhem preventing ticketed fans from getting into the stadium on time. So this posed the question, is this venue prepared for other large-scale events such as the FIFA World Cup in 2 years or the Taylor Swift concert in October? Let's look at a demo using a recent example from the Copa Cup and understand what we can learn about the roadway network in and around Hard Rock Stadium. One of the important tasks in preparing for a major event is to understand the arrival and departure patterns, and which corridors are most effective for getting traffic in and out of an event venue. Ensuring proper ingress and egress from the stadium without adding extra delays to the network makes this a much better experience for attendees. Since traffic patterns can change from one event to another, it's important to continuously monitor traffic flows for every event. Although the event might be in the same venue, there could be different traffic patterns. This could be caused by the event type. Sporting events may have an earlier arrival due to tailgating, whereas a concert may have a heavier arrival time closer to the event start time. This is where StreetLight's Traffic Monitor is valuable for your organization. With this solution, you can view your network in real time alongside historical data to prepare and have an effective event plan. Let's take a look at June 29th, which was the previous Copa Cup game that happened at the same venue with a similar start time. I have selected the Atypical Volumes tab, which allows you to see how fast the systems are seeing the surge in atypical volumes on the roadway segment, which are predominantly the traffic that is going to the stadium. So as we go through the timeline view here, the blue lines are indicating that volumes are atypically less than what is considered normal. But as we progress toward the game start, you're going to see yellow lines start appearing on corridors where there is an increase in traffic flowing into the stadium. This allows you to understand the common corridors generating traffic into your event venue and deploy messaging to help alleviate traffic from more congested parts to less congested parts of your network. You also have the atypical delay option, which shows the delay caused by the traffic heading into the stadium. As you can see here, Interstate 95, 199th Street, and 183rd Street segments become blocked due to the traffic caused by this event. A great benefit to the atypical delay feature is that you know the time frame where the delay starts and ends, helping you plan effectively for your events. Now let's take a look at July 14th, when the Copa Finals experienced heavy ingress delays. We can see that like the previous game on June 29th, the same corridors seem to get similar atypical delays. However, on the 14th, these delays lasted longer than usual, even longer than those observed on the 29th. Due to these ingress issues, the event management team determined that they would delay the start of the game by 1 hour. This shows how delays in your roadway network can impact your event operations. As you can see, you can select a previous event date to compare. This allows you to isolate the particular traffic mismanagement issue and see the delays associated with this unexpected event. The segments light up in red, indicating those segments saw an increasing amount of delay compared to the previous event date we selected. Once the event management team has this information, they can instantly react in real time to activate alternative routes without increasing congestion in the network. Here we have selected one of the segment corridors that leads to Hard Rock Stadium. When comparing the event on the 29th to the event on the 14th, we can see high travel times, about 3 times longer, which correlates to the same time of the ingress issue at the stadium. By using StreetLight's Traffic Monitor, event management teams can quickly and effectively pinpoint and mitigate traffic disruptions on any roads without installing sensors.